Hi again. So, welcome to another session of Vedic Maths, right? So, over here, today we are going to do something which was told in the previous class, just an topic introduction. What is Beejank, right? Most interesting topic of this course. It is also called checking method, and in some websites, or maybe you can say others call it digital root also. So everything is the same way. Okay, it's kind of a magic trick. Okay, let's see what it is. So Beejank is nothing but a single digit. Single digit. How it found out? By adding all the digits in the number. I'm going to explain with an example. Don't worry. Adding all the digits in the number. In Beejank, it is never affected by 9. So you can cancel 9. What is that? I will explain it. Don't worry. 9 doesn't affect it. For example, if I ask you what is the Beejank of this guy, ओके, सबसे पहले आप क्या करें, देखिए आप सबको ऐड करके जो नंबर आएगा वो बिजांक होगा, लेकिन आप अगर इजी बनाना चाहते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला 24 का बिजांक क्या होगा, 2 + 4 दैट इज 6। 648 का बिजांक क्या होगा, 6 + 4 + 8, राइट? सो दिस विल बी 12, सॉरी 10 + 18, लेकिन 18 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि सिंगल डिजिट होता है, तो फिर से ऐड करें 1 + 8 दैट इज 9। ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ वी गोना फाइंड द बिजांक। But right now, let's move and understand what is this cancel 9 wala nature. See, it helps us to calculate faster. When we have 7 and 2, it makes 9. 6 and 3 also makes 9. So you can cancel them out because 9 doesn't affect the design. And 1 + 4 is 5. So that is your answer. I hope that is clear. So let's understand how we're going to use Beejank in our Vedic maths. For example, अगर मैं 24 से 32 को multiply करने को बोलूं प्यारे बच्चों, well, by the way, do you know how to multiply? Let's use general method. 4 times 2, 8. This multiply with this, 4. This multiply with this, 12. Add them together, 16. So we cannot write 16, 6 and 1 carry. 3 times 2, 6. 6 + 1, 7. And done. Now, we're going to check our Beejank for this, right? We're going to use our Beejank to check whether our answer is correct or not. Yes, Beejank of question and the answer is always same. So let's find out the Beejank of the question. The Beejank of the question 2 and 4 is 6. Adding them, right? 3 and 2 is 5. Here it is multiplication. Let's multiply them. So we get 30. But 30 we cannot write. Beejank is a single digit. So we get 3. 3 + 0 is 3. Now let's check the answer for this one. Is the Beejank coming out to be 3? If it is, then we are correct. 7 + 8 is 15. 15 + 6 is 21. And 21 में 21 को add किया 3. और 3 इसका भी आ रहा है, 3 इसका भी आ रहा है, तो मतलब सही है. So as a Vedic math teacher, I usually use this technique to check for my small students whether they are doing it correct or not. I don't calculate the whole stuff. I just calculate the Beejank. And this is very, very interesting. But there is a different way of checking also. I hope you made a sense of it, that how we can check for Beejank. Let's take one more example so that we know that it works. Let's take let's take 21 times 59. Okay, let's multiply normally 9. By the way, Beejank just doesn't just work for multiplication, works for addition, subtraction, everything. Okay, and it's very interesting that this works for everyone. Now 9 times 1 is 9, 18 plus 5 is 23, 5 times 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 2 3 9 is the answer. Let's check if it's correct or not. So 3 Beejank, 14, but we cannot write 14, we can write 5. So multiplication 5 times 3 is 15, but we cannot write 15. Digital root or Beejank is always 6, always a single digit number. So 6 should be the answer as the Beejank. तो इसका भी Beejank 6 ही आना चाहिए. So 9 तो cancel हो गया. तो 3 and 3 is 6, तो हो गया. देखो कितना easy है. So Beejank is very beautiful. Now, addition में भी work करता है प्यारे बच्चों. If you add them up, let's add. So what we get? We get 25. Do you want to check? Yes. इसका Beejank 3, इसका Beejank 4, and we may add, we get 7. Is the Beejank of this guy 7? Of course it is. So that's how you can check addition for subtraction. For subtraction, division, it is left as an exercise to the candidate. आपको खुद देखना है कि क्या subtraction division के लिए work करता है या फिर नहीं. Okay, now this session is not just about this. There is another beautiful thing that I'm going to teach you today, which is called uh, a special case that makes calculation even faster for multiplication. If the sum of units place is 10 and rest oh my god, sorry, rest place digits digits are same. If that is the case, how to solve it? Is there a trick for it? Let's. Okay. Now, 67 multiplied by 63. Now see, if the sum of unit place is 10, जब भी आपके पास ऐसी कैलकुलेशन आए जिसमें सम यूनिट डिजिट का 10 होता है, 7 प्लस 8 10, और रेस्ट प्लेस सेम हो, ये सेम है, तो आपको पता है क्या हम इस कैलकुलेशन बहुत ही ज्यादा फास्ट ब्रेन में कर सकते हैं। 7 into 3 21। 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 6 के बाद टेबल में क्या आता है? 7। या 6 और काउंटिंग में क्या आता है? 7। तो 6 into 7 कर दो, 42, और डन। यस यू आर डन। वो राइट। So let's do another one so that you recall this actually works. Let's give you 72 and we have 78. The sum of these two is 10. So 8 times 2 is 16. Yes, 16. And 7 times 7 we are not going to do. Whatever comes after 7 comes 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. And that is our answer. Isn't this amazing? Right? This is what this course is about. Now, इसका एक और सिनेरियो हो सकता है। देखो, इसका उल्टा भी करके होता है। कैसे? I'm going to type since my writing is not that good. If the sum of tens place, इस बार उल्टा होगा, sum of tens place is 10 and ones place digits are same, right? Are same. So what we're gonna do? Let's see. Tens place का sum जो है 10 होगा। Let's say 22 into 82 है हमारे पास। Let's say तो आप देख सकते हैं यूनिट प्लेस सेम है, वंस प्लेस आर सेम, एंड टेंस प्लेस का प्लेस की स्पेलिंग PLA मुझे आती है। ओके ना। तो आप क्या करेंगे इसमें? सबसे पहले आप इसको और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 2 2 जा 4, बट आप सिंगल डिजिट में कभी नहीं लिखेंगे, 0 4 करके लिखेंगे, राइट ना। 2 into 8 नहीं, 2 into 8 तो करेंगे, लेकिन जो भी आपका यूनिट डिजिट में सेम है उसको ऐड भी करेंगे। 2 into 8 plus 2, 16 plus 2 that is 18। Done. Let me do another one for you. 77 into 37। वंस प्लेस का सम 10 है और यूनिट प्लेस सेम है, राइट। तो आप क्या करेंगे? 7 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई 49, जैसे यहाँ पे 2 को 2 से किया था। 7 3 is 21 and add 7 because unit the same 7 at 28 and voila, we are done. So quick, right? So this is how we can use this technique also faster. By the way, this works for 3 digit also, the previous one also. For example, if I have 106 and 104, right? इन दोनों का सम 10 और यूनिट प्लेस जो टेंस प्लेस वाले हैं, मतलब ये जो हैं, ये दोनों रेस्ट वाले सेम है। तो आप इसमें भी लगा सकते हैं। 6 4 जा 24, राइट। यहाँ पे हमेशा 2 डिजिट मिलना चाहिए, नहीं है तो 0 लगा के बनाए, हमेशा 2 डिजिट इस वाले केस में ना। 10 के बाद क्या आता है प्यारे बच्चे? 11। तो 10 11 में 110 होता है। हो गया है। तो ये एक्सप्रेशन फिर से जिनके लिए आपने करा सॉल्व, जिनके सामने आपने सॉल्व किया, yes, you're gonna shock everyone, and this is what is make you different from others. And I hope to see you in the next session with more amazing techniques, sutras, and whatever you want to call it, tricks. Bye bye.